The government is stepping up efforts to safeguard foreign communities in the country, launching dedicated help desks and tighter security measures to protect lives, strengthen partnerships, and build greater confidence in the Philippines as a safe destination for tourism and investment. Our JM Pineda tells us more.
Several incidents of killings and crimes involving Korean nationals in recent months have been recorded in Angeles City, Pampanga. Among these was a robbery in Korean town that led to the death of a Korean national. This prompted the government to further strengthen security measures for Korean nationals. Today, a Korean help desk was launched at the Angeles City Police Station. This will serve as a reporting center and protection mechanism for Koreans and to help prevent the commission of crimes against them.
Sa pag-uusap na ginawa po namin with the ambassador, ang sabi nga nila na we will put more effort and a specialized desk para sa mga kaibigan natin from Korea. Kasi marami na rin sila, no? Almost 1 million yung mga turista from Korea na pupunta rito and about 50,000 mahigit na Koreans who are living here.
Authorities emphasize that ensuring the safety of foreigners in the Philippines is vital as it also boosts the country's tourism. Aside from that, it helps improve the economy through the businesses being set up in the country.
If we talk of yung sa businesses, wala namang magtatayo ng business kung nakikita nila magulo yung peace and order. So that's the main focus and the main objective of this desk para magkaroon ng peace and order sa lugar so we can encourage more businesses to come in dito sa lugar na ito.
The Philippine National Police or PNP will also work hand in hand with Korean communities in the country, which will provide volunteers who can serve as translator during emergency cases. According to the PNP, personnel assigned to the Korean help desk underwent proper training.
May mga trained personnel tayo, graduate ng Korean language. So sila yung ilalagay natin doon sa mga Korean base. And for those stations na kulang pa, we have a partnership with them that they will be providing translators.
The Korean help desk has not only been established in Pampanga but also in Manila and Cebu. Authorities also assure that they will focus on strengthening the protection of other foreigners residing in the Philippines. JM Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.